Flying economy doesn't mean you have to settle for less. Airlines don't advertise it, but there's actually a ton of free stuff you can still get on a plane, if you know the right tricks. Most people miss out, but today, I'll show you exactly how to unlock these hidden freebies. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on travel hacks like this. Let's talk about something airlines don't want you to know. Free drinks. Most airlines will actually give you the whole can of soda or a full bottle of water if you just ask. Thirsty later? Just press the call button or walk to the galley. Refills are free. Flying internationally? You might even get free beer or wine during drink service. And here's a secret. Some airlines have off-menu drinks like sparkling water, extra juice options, and even mixed drinks. Not in the mood for something cold? Here's a secret. There are hot drinks most passengers don't even know about. Forget just coffee and tea. Ask for hot chocolate or decaf coffee, and flight attendants can make it for you fresh. Believe it or not, tomato juice actually tastes better at high altitude. Science says so. Or bring your own tea bags and just ask for hot water. Boom! You've got a free custom drink. Let's be real, those airplane snacks are never enough. But here's the deal. When that snack cart comes around, you don't have to choose just one measly bag of pretzels. Next time, try this. When the flight attendant asks what you'd like, just say, "I love both, please." More often than not, they'll totally hook you up with an extra snack. It's all about being polite and enthusiastic. Now, if you're really serious about your snack game, here's a pro move. Wait until the first round of service is over, and then ask if there are any extra snacks left over. Sometimes, they've got a whole stash in the back just waiting to be devoured. And if you're flying internationally, keep an eye out for self-serve snack stations. These are like little oases in the middle of a long flight. You can grab what you want, discreetly stuff your pockets, and get a little stretch in at the same time. Win-win. Alright, let's talk about the holy grail of airplane freebies, the extra meal. I know, it sounds too good to be true. But on international flights, especially long-haul ones, it's definitely possible. Here's the key. Timing is everything. Wait until everyone around you has been served their meal, and then politely ask your flight attendant if there are any extras. If they do, chances are they'll be more than happy to give you one. After all, who doesn't love a good leftover meal? Now, here's another trick. Pre-order a special meal. I'm talking vegan, vegetarian, kosher, whatever your dietary needs may be. These meals are often prepared in smaller batches and tend to be higher quality than the standard economy fare. Plus, they're usually served first, which means you get to avoid that post-meal bathroom rush. You're welcome. Free in-flight entertainment and hidden features. Gone are the days of staring at the back of the seat in front of you for hours on end. These days, most airlines offer some form of free in-flight entertainment, whether it's through seatback screens or their own app. We're talking movies, TV shows, music, you name it. But here's the thing. There are often hidden gems within these entertainment systems that most people don't even know about. Some airlines offer meditation apps to help you zen out during a stressful flight. Others have stretching guides so you can avoid those stiff muscles after hours of sitting. And some even have real-time flight tracking maps so you can channel your inner pilot and see exactly where you are in the world. It's like having a secret dashboard at your fingertips. So next time you're bored on a flight, don't just scroll through the same old movies. Explore the hidden features of the entertainment system. You might be surprised at what you find. Expedited deplaning. How to get off the plane first. We've all been there, stuck in that endless line of passengers waiting to get off the plane. But if you've got a tight connection to catch, every second counts. Here's a little secret. The flight attendants are your secret weapon. If you let them know as soon as possible that you're in a hurry, they can sometimes work their magic. They might be able to move you to an empty seat closer to the front or even let you deplane before everyone else. It's all about communication, people. Now, in some cases, if you're really lucky, they might even bump you up to premium economy or even business class for free if it means you'll make your connection. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's happened to me before. It's all about being polite, explaining your situation, and hoping for the best. Alright, let's talk about staying connected in the air. We all know that most airlines charge an arm and a leg for Wi-Fi. But here's the good news. Some airlines, like Southwest and Delta, actually offer free messaging through services like iMessage, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger, so you can still keep in touch with your loved ones on the ground without breaking the bank. But wait, it gets even better. JetBlue, you guys are killing it. They offer completely free in-flight Wi-Fi on all of their flights. That's right, you can browse the internet, stream your favorite shows, and stay connected without spending a dime. It's like a breath of fresh air in the often suffocating world of airline fees. So next time you're booking a flight, keep JetBlue in mind. Your wallet will thank you. Traveling with little ones can be expensive, but here's a little secret that can save you some serious cash. Many airlines allow kids under 2 to fly for free as a lap infant on domestic flights. That's right, no need to buy a separate seat for your tiny human. Just hold them on your lap and enjoy the savings. And if you're flying internationally, don't worry, there are still deals to be had. Airlines like Delta charge just 10% of the adult fare for a child under 2. That's a steal. And United Airlines even offers free entertainment kits for kids, complete with activity books, crayons, and puzzles to keep them entertained throughout the flight. It's the little things, people. We all know that airlines love to charge for seat selection these days, but here's the thing. There's a way around it. The key is to be on top of your game when it comes to checking in. Most airlines open their check-in window 24 hours before your flight, and here's the secret sauce. If you check in right when the window opens, you'll have your pick of the litter when it comes to free seats. That's right. You can snag that coveted aisle seat or make sure you're sitting with your travel buddies without having to shell out extra cash. Just set a reminder on your phone, be ready to go when that clock strikes, and get ready to score the best free seat on the plane. Airplanes can be freezing, am I right? But here's the thing. Most flights have a stash of extra blankets and pillows just waiting to be used. So next time you're feeling chilly, don't suffer in silence. Just ask your flight attendant for an extra blanket or pillow. They're usually more than happy to oblige. And if you're feeling under the weather, don't worry. Flight attendants are like walking first aid kits. They've got everything from pain relievers to motion sickness pills to bandages. So if you need something, don't hesitate to ask. Just remember, these are for in-flight use only. Don't try to sneak off with a whole stash of complimentary Advil. Let's be real. Airplanes are germ factories. And while airlines are supposed to clean those tray tables between flights, let's just say they don't always do the most thorough job. So it's always a good idea to bring your own sanitizing wipes to give your space a good once-over. But if you forget, don't worry. Flight attendants to the rescue. They usually carry extra sanitizing wipes and are more than happy to hand them out. Just ask nicely and they'll hook you up. After all, nobody wants to get sick on vacation. Okay, now for a little dose of reality. While there are still plenty of freebies to be had on flights, some things that used to be complimentary are now sadly extinct. Headphones, for example, are no longer a given on many airlines. So if you want to enjoy the in-flight entertainment, make sure to bring your own wired pair because those fancy Bluetooth ones won't work with the seatback systems. And here's another bummer, most airlines have gone cashless. That means you'll need to preload a payment method into their app or website if you want to buy any snacks, drinks, or upgrades during your flight. So don't forget to do that before you board, or you'll be stuck with just the freebies, which, let's be honest, are still pretty awesome. So there you have it, folks. My insider tips for unlocking secret freebies on your next flight. Remember, every airline is different, but you'll never get something for free if you don't ask. Be polite, be proactive, and don't be afraid to channel your inner bargain hunter. You might be surprised at what you can score without spending an extra dime. And if you really want to up your travel game, check out my next video, where I'll be sharing my ultimate flight comfort hacks to make economy class feel like first class. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until next time, happy travels. Did you know that millions of bags vanish into thin air at airports every year? Not lost, not delayed, stolen. And the worst part? You might be next. Think about it. You check in your luggage, hand it over like a trusting little lamb, assuming it'll magically reappear at your destination. But what if it doesn't? Right now, there's an entire underground industry profiting off stolen luggage, right under our noses. We're talking millions of dollars worth of belongings gone, every single year. But today, you're not going to be a victim. In this video, I'm handing you the insider secrets to outsmart baggage thieves, secure your stuff, and ensure you never lose a single sock again. Because trust me, by the end of this, you'll know 9 foolproof strategies to keep your bag safe from even the sneakiest airport bandits. If you love saving money and avoiding travel nightmares, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on game-changing hacks. Don't let airlines or baggage thieves get the upper hand. Subscribe now and travel smarter every time. First things first, we gotta talk about your luggage game. Not all bags are created equal, my friends. Some are practically begging to be broken into. Avoid those soft-sided bags like the plague. They might seem convenient, but a thief with a sharp object can slice through that fabric like it's butter. You want a hard-shell case. Think polycarbonate or aluminum, the kind of material that makes a thief say, nah, not worth the effort. And double zippers? Non-negotiable. Those single zipper bags are practically an open invitation for trouble. Here's a pro tip. Look for bags with anti-theft interlocking zippers. These bad boys are designed to make a thief's life way harder. We're talking about cutting those theft attempts in half. And lay off the external pockets, all right? I know they're super convenient, but they're also super convenient for someone who wants to snatch your stuff. Keep it sleek, keep it minimal. Less is more when it comes to deterring those sticky fingers. Okay, guys, time to get real. There's this sneaky little tactic thieves use called the pen trick, and it's as simple as it is effective. They take an ordinary ballpoint pen, wedge it into your zipper, and bam, they're in. It's enough to make you want to travel with a safe on wheels. But hold on, don't panic just yet. We got this. The key is to make your zippers as impenetrable as possible. That means investing in luggage with anti-puncture zippers. These things are like armor for your belongings. And for the ultimate peace of mind, consider going zipperless. Yeah, you heard me right. Zipperless luggage uses latches or combination locks, making it a whole different ballgame for would-be thieves. Sure, it might cost a bit more, but can you really put a price on peace of mind? All right, let's talk TSA-approved locks. I know what you're thinking, Casey. Those things are a joke, right? And yeah, some of them are flimsy and easy to break. But here's the thing. A locked bag sends a message. It tells a thief, hey, this might take some time, and time is something they don't have. Go for a tamper-resistant, heavy-duty lock. None of that cheap plastic crap. Look for combination locks over key locks. Because let's face it, losing a key on vacation is like a rite of passage. And if you want to go full Fort Knox, add a cable lock to the mix. This secures your zippers to a fixed point on your bag, making it a real pain in the ass for anyone trying to get in. Trust me, a little deterrence goes a long way. Chapter 4. Security tape and tamper-evident seals. Low-tech, high-impact. Don't underestimate the power of the simple things. We're talking about security tape and tamper-evident seals. These bad boys are like a visual alarm system for your luggage. Security tape is your new best friend. Slap it along the seams of your bag or over the zipper. If someone tries to break in, they'll have to rip through that tape, leaving behind a trail of evidence. Tamper-evident seals are like those void-if-removed stickers, but for your luggage. They show if your bag has been tampered with, giving you some peace of mind. And here's a pro tip. Use bright-colored or personalized seals. Makes it even more obvious if someone's been messing with your stuff. Chapter 5. GPS trackers and smart luggage. Technology to the rescue. We live in a world of technology, people. So why not use it to our advantage? GPS trackers and smart luggage are game changers when it comes to luggage security. GPS trackers are like little guardian angels for your belongings. You slip one of these tiny devices into your bag and boom, you can track its location in real time. Some even send you alerts if your bag moves outside a designated area. Talk about peace of mind. And then there's smart luggage. These suitcases are like something out of a spy movie. Built-in GPS, USB charging ports, electronic locks you can control with your phone. They've got it all. Some even have proximity alerts, so you'll know if your bag is moving without your permission. Chapter 6. Don't check in what you can't afford to lose. Seriously, don't do it. This one should be a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people make this mistake. Never, and I mean never, check in anything you absolutely cannot afford to lose. We're talking passports, money, electronics, jewelry, important documents, the works. Keep those essentials in your carry-on, where you can keep a close eye on them. And while you're at it, pack a change of clothes and some basic toiletries in your carry-on too. That way, if your checked bag decides to go on an adventure of its own, you'll at least have the essentials covered. Sometimes the best way to protect your belongings is to make them look less appealing. We're talking about going incognito with your luggage. And no, I don't mean stuffing it under a trench coat and talking in a funny voice. A luggage cover can be your best friend here. Opt for a design that makes your bag look worn out, old, or just plain uninteresting. The goal is to make it blend in with the crowd and not scream, "Hey, I'm full of expensive goodies." Slap some stickers on there too. A simple fragile sticker or some random travel stickers can work wonders. It's all about making your bag look less like a target and more like something that's been dragged around the world a few times. Before you even think about checking in that bag, channel your inner detective and document everything. I'm talking about a full-blown photo shoot of your luggage and its contents. First, take a picture of your packed bag. That way, if it gets lost or stolen, you have proof of what was inside. Next, make an inventory list. Write down all the valuable or essential items in your bag. This will come in handy if you need to file an insurance claim. Don't forget to snap a photo of the outside of your bag too. Get a good shot of any distinctive features or markings. This will help identify your bag if it gets lost in the shuffle. Last but not least, let's talk about travel insurance. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's worth its weight in gold if something goes wrong. When you're choosing a travel insurance policy, pay close attention to the coverage for lost or stolen luggage. Some policies only cover the cost of replacing your luggage, while others also cover the value of the items inside. Make sure you understand your airline's baggage policy too. Some airlines offer compensation for delayed bags, but the amount can vary depending on the airline and the circumstances. Do your research, people. So there you have it, folks. 9 proven strategies to keep your luggage safe from those pesky baggage bandits. Remember, preventing luggage theft is all about being proactive. Don't wait until it's too late to take action. Travel is about exploring new places, experiencing new cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't let the fear of luggage theft hold you back from your next adventure. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been the victim of luggage theft? Or do you have any other tips and tricks to share with the community? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.